Hello, today you're looking at an Enco model 110-2034 machine lathe brought to you by Lanco. Overall dimension 67 inches long by 27 inches wide by 55 inches high. It is wired for 240 volt. Has a 1/2 horsepower motor there on the right. It is a variable speed unit with a 6-inch 3-jaw chuck. 12 different speeds. And the RPM is anywhere from 50 to 1200. Very nice conditioned unit. We'll turn it on now so you can see and hear it go. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.